17. Let's find out what's in day 17. Sunshine, what do you think it is? Hey, do you think it is beautiful? Oh, it's a good girl. Yes, you are.
You can't see it.
What's
it's
in
white.
day number 17?
It's white. I can't see it. It was the wrong way.
Oh, these are cut-apart sheets. 2 cut-apart sheets. One for Juniper and Sage and one for Indigo and Violet. These work with die number 4, 5, and I think 7. I will double check that for you. Thank you so much for watching and coming to join us on this journey every single day. 17 days in of our Advent kit. I hope you're all having so much fun at home opening these every single day, and it brings a little bit of joy to your day. And we'll be back tomorrow with day number 18. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, Tracy and Sunshine here from Unique Creative.